exactly the same.
Sue, you know what you are?
Amazing.
Yeah, you're my hero. Thank you so much.
You,
So I'm
you're
taking note.
welcome.
Extra garlic and extra cheddar cheese.
Yeah, because the mix doesn't give you actually cheese in it, so you actually got to put some shredded cheese in it,
All right,
and it
sharp
tastes
cheddar,
just as
mild
good.
cheddar, what kind?
Sharp.
Sharp cheddar.